Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a granite crystal metallic 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude, stock number A7391. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. We'll get a close-up on the tread of the tires here. You do have a Dunlop tire. Inside, there's a black cloth upholstery with the Jeep logo stitched in here. That is in fantastic condition. You have seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Renegade. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Jeep today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are carpeted floor mats here. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, and then coming over to the right-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons. There is a push-button start. Looking over to the center, you've got a touchscreen display here. This is actually where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls here. A little bit further down, you have your 4-wheel drive control. There is a USB port. You do have an auxiliary port here as well. This is a 9-speed automatic transmission with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 29 miles per gallon. You do also have your traction control here. And if you'd like to get more information on this Jeep or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.